and doing your studies well. This is your GK class, and in our GK today we are going to learn about currencies. So students, first of all we must know what is currency and why do we use this currency. So students, currency is a medium of exchange of goods and services. Means when we buy something from market or from online services, or we use any service like school, hospitals, conveyance or anything, what we do? We pay for it. Yes students, we don't get anything free of cost. We have, every time we have to pay for the things and the services, and this is the easiest way of exchange of services and goods. Means whenever we need something, whenever we use something, whenever we use a service, we have to pay for it. It is, we can say in short, money is currency in the form of notes or coins issued by the government of a country. Okay students, but do you know that not all the countries use the same currency, but different countries use different currencies. So in this lesson we are going to learn about the various currencies of different countries, and we will go through our book also. Okay, so let's get started. So students, here is the topic money given at page number 24 in your GK book. Now here you can see the flag of South Korea, and the currency of South Korea is won, and the symbol is given here. Okay, the next is Japan, and the currency of Japan is yen. Here you can see the symbol of yen. Okay, the flag and the symbol of yen I have shown here. The next is South Africa. The flag is shown here. This is the flag of South Africa, and the currency of South Africa is rand, and the symbol is given here. The next is India. Okay, most of us know, means all of us know what is the currency of India. It is rupee, and the symbol of the currency is given here, shown to you. So other than India students, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, these countries also use the currency rupee, or we can say these countries have the currency rupee. The next is Mexico. Okay, this is the flag of Mexico shown here, and the currency of Mexico is peso. Okay, it is peso, and the symbol is shown here. The next you can see and the flag of USA, and the currency of USA is dollar. Yes, the currency of USA is dollar, but students, many other countries also use this currency like Canada, Hong Kong, Singapore, Zimbabwe and New Zealand use the currency dollar. The next is, you can see here the flag of United Kingdom, and the currency used in United Kingdom is pound. Okay, and other than United Kingdom, Egypt and Lebanon also use the currency pound. Here is given the flag of Kuwait, and the currency of Kuwait is dinar. It is dinar. The symbol is also given here, and other than Kuwait, some other countries also use this currency, and the countries are Bahrain and Iraq. The next is Italy. Okay, and what is the currency of Italy? It is euro. The symbol is shown here. Euro is the currency of Italy, and other countries which use this currency are France, Germany Spain, or we can say the currency of France, Germany and Spain is euro. Here is the flag of Spain shown and also its currency. Then the flag of France you can see here. Again its currency is euro. And the next is Denmark. The flag of Denmark is given here. And what is the currency of Denmark? It is krone. Other than Denmark, krone is used in Norway also. Means Norway, the currency of Norway is krone. Okay. The next is Bangladesh. Students, the currency of Bangladesh is taka. And you can see here the symbol of taka given here. Okay. So students, after going through the video, I hope you must have understood about the currency. Yes, and the currencies used in various countries. But whatever we have learned, student, that is just not enough. What you have to do, find out something more. There are many countries in this world and they have their own currencies also. So what is your task? You find out the names of the countries, their currencies and their symbols. And I hope you will do this. So students, till the next video, you take care of yourself, keep smiling, keep finding, keep learning. All the best.